this a bit coarser. Get in there. I think we need to go a bit more aggressive. Some 60. Right, so I spent a couple of hours sanding it, going through the grits. Didn't really do much. Heat it with a weigh wheel on the bench grinder. It's a lot better than it was. But, let's see if we can. If you can see, got all this pitting. I don't know if you're able to see that on the camera, but there's quite a lot of it. Bad at that end. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to hit it with a 120 flat disc. See if we can get the heaviest off. Your specs. I know it looks rough, but it's a bit getting there with a file. Right, so I've got here a fan, Scotch Brite wheel, of course. Give it a go with the course. So if you can see, you can see it all marred up and yeah, that's all it. So let's give it a go. See, but it's getting there. If you look at this compared to this, so carry on. Right, let's give this polishing a go. It's polishing up pretty nice. Let's carry on. dark. And this is my first attempt at polishing, by the way. Yeah. So now I've put a finer wheel on, a different compound. Apparently this gives you your eye shine, so let's give it a whirl. So it turned out pretty good. Not so bad at all. Need another quick hand polish before we're finished, but yeah, looking good. Hope's done as well.